Hello, mobile developers. Welcome back to Mobile Dev Academy. Today, we are diving to Vue.js to create a simple and elegant clock for your web applications. Grab your mobile device, open your code editor, and let's get started on building a Vue.js clock. So, uh, here is my final output. Okay, first of all, I will remove all of my previous code. Okay, so in body, I am removing all code and uh, okay, here is empty body and you can see here is a script tag, Vue.js CDN and another script tag for main.js. Okay, I will write my js in main.js. Okay, I am first of all I am removing all my previous code in main.js. Okay, so I am also removing the all my style uh, in my style.css. Okay, so here is empty html.css. Here is a title Vue.js clock mobile dev academy, and you can see here is a only two script. Okay, in body is empty. So first of all, in our body we will keep app id. Okay, you can see here is a script tag for cdn link Vue.js, and here is another script for main.js. Okay, let's go to the main.js. So if we go to our main.js, first of all we have to create an instance for our Vue.js. Okay, so if we write new view here, and so first of all we will write the element where we will uh, set up the view. Okay, here is our element is a app id. Okay, so the next is data. Okay, so in data is a object. uh, if you write here message, and we can see the output of this in our html file. Okay, so hello world. Okay, hello view. So in our html file, if we write here s1, and here we write that message, we can see hello view. Okay, so instead of message we can use here current time. Okay, current time. So if we write here current time 6 46 am, it's static data, and we have to print it like this. Okay, here is static data. Okay, let's make it dynamic. First of all we have to create a method, or I mean a function. So let's uh, create a function. For this we have to write methods here. In methods we will write all of our functions. So first of all our function is update time function. Okay, so it's function, and if we return here. Okay, so first of all let's make a date. Okay, const now equal to new date. Next let's make our hours. Okay, this dot okay, first of all we will make a format time unit. So another function. Okay, first let's make this function. So here is another function, format time unit, and it will take a unit. Okay, it will take a unit, then it will return uh, unit. It will check unit is less than 10. If less than 10, then it will return ternary operator, 0, then $sign, then unit. Okay, here we have written our function, and hours is the format unit, and inside format unit we will give the this dot format unit, I mean each format unit. Okay, so here we will pass now dot get hours, get hours. Okay, so let's call the function. Okay, get hours. So uh, so this dot current time, if we write here this dot current time, this dot current time mean this current time. Okay, this dot current times is if we give hours. Okay, so how can we call this? So we can call is in mounted, it's Vue.js lifecycle when the page is reload. Okay, this dot update time. Okay, we call this function. So if we reload this, here is a 06. Okay, how added 0 here, 0 here, like this. uh, Here unit, if unit is less than 10, I mean then it will add a 0 before it, otherwise it will just return the unit. Okay, so we got our hours. Okay, so next let's get the okay, let's get the minute. Now dot get minutes. Okay, so we will return here a string. First of all, hours, then minutes. Okay, so in the last we will close it. Okay, so if we see the output, here is a 5 6 53. Yeah? Okay, now we need the second. Okay, so let's copy it, and if we write here seconds, now dot get seconds. Okay, so also we will return get seconds. Okay, so if we see the output here, we got we didn't got the second. Okay, so get seconds now, it will be seconds. Okay, yeah, we found the second. Okay, so we can use colon instead of this. So we got our hour, minute and second. So but it's not running every time. So to do this, we will use set interval. Set interval uh, is a special function that will run after some time. Okay, so set interval, uh, we will call here is function, and it will run after 1000 millisecond every time. Okay, so if we see the output here, yeah, now it's running. So let's make it center. So first of all, in body we will write deflex align item center, justify content center, then mean height 100 ps. Okay, now it's center. So if we give the uh, 30 pixel font size, now it's bigger. So we got our simple Vue.js clock, and there you have it, developers. You have just created a simple clock using Vue.js, customize the style and expand the functionality to fit your project's need. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mobile Dev Academy. Stay tuned for more exciting Vue.js tutorial, and happy coding.